Well, it's a very tough question to me, really frankly. I have been an expert as people said, so but still I would like to pick one, and he's actually my buddy these days. So I would like to go with Vish.
ये याराना वहाँ से यहाँ आ गया क्या?
दोस्ताना याराना नहीं
Rajesh, please on the stage. Rajesh, hand over the
Now your question, Rajesh. Virginity after 25 years. Is it virtue or lack of opportunity?
I'm still running.
Well, in my case, it's definitely lack of opportunity. Girls. And if you say, like, with another thought, for me, if I choose to be a virgin after 25, it's choice. For others, it's again lack of opportunity.
That's great. That's a really good answer. Now we have the only one. Mr. Amit. Okay, so we have a question here. Which will be a happier world? The one where only guys are there, or the one where only the girls are there?
So you have two options here. Well, I would say that you should have a third option. I'm the only guy and the rest are all females.
And you will have trouble.
But coming back to the question, we have a real problem. For example, if you have only girls in this world, I mean, you say that it's all these hot models, Bollywood models, who are actually responsible for global warming. So, if you have ladies all around, think about what is going to happen to the world. Okay? And if you go to option number 2, you have a similar problem.
Global cooling.
Global cooling! Okay, so I would say that this question is in terms of, it's very difficult to choose. For example, let's look at the steam bonding. If we had only guys in the steam bonding, it would be not so much of fun, although there could be fun of different types, but it would not be
Of this type of fun.
and
Different types.
Same is the case with
Yes.
girls only trip. So, sorry, I don't have an answer to this question. Thank you.
आपका आंसर सबसे लंबा था और आप बोल रहे हो आंसर नहीं था.
टाइम लिया यार.
हमारा टेप आधा खत्म हो गया.
Over to Amit.
Are the same.
Oh,
So
okay.
the first round is an individual round.
No, you are
Then they
not
come
for
in
us,
pairs,
please.
and then all six of
नहीं,
them.
I won't.
So let's welcome the very hot Bharati.
She's hot. She's hot.
Oh man! It was really hot. I can still feel the heat. I think I have the best seat in the audience.
You guys have to be
Vijay,
slow.
there is a lot more to happen. So yeah, you are rightly placed. Okay, let's all welcome the very beautiful Gunjan. Thanks, Gunjan. Okay, guys, hold your breath. The next person is the very sweet Anamika. Anamika, please come on stage.
मैंने तुझसे प्यार किया है, तू है मेरी जान, मेरी है धड़कन कहती है मैं तुझ पे कुर्बान। मैंने तुझसे प्यार किया है, तू है मेरी जान, मेरी है धड़कन कहती है मैं तुझ पे कुर्बान। मेरा वादा भी बोला बाकी मान।
तू साला काम से गया.
Thanks, Anamika. The next person is the very beautiful Udaya.
दूसरा एडजेक्टिव बोल रविशिंग और
हाँ सही बात है.
Thanks, Udaya. The next person is the hot and hilarious Rashmi.
कोई गाओ बीड़ी जलाइले.
नहीं गा देते, छोड़ो यार. अरे जल्दी गए, टाइम नहीं है, जो भी मुझे लगा दो. लाइट फैशन चाहिए. इसमें धीरे धीरे.
Thanks a lot, Rashmi.
So you selected. I didn't select it.
And the last person is the very gorgeous looking Vidya.
Showstopper. Don't stop the show, please.
Last event of the show. The show is going to stop now.
Okay. We still have a lot more to come. So the second round is the players. So we start with Rashmi and Gunjan.
Ethnic Indian wear.
I think yeah, that's
धक धक मेरा दिल धड़के
Thanks a lot, Rashmi and Gunjan. Okay. Next we have the beautiful ladies Udaya and Vidya.
चंदन ओम ओम.
Thanks Udaya. Thanks Udaya. And finally we have the very hot Bharati and Anu. You forward your cap.
Amit, did you got the permission to say Anu? Anu or yours Anu?
नहीं उसने हमें सबको बोला अनु बोलने
Thanks, Bharti. Thanks, Anamika. Let me correct myself now. Okay.
It's also my name.
It's getting little cold now. So
getting hot or getting cold
little cold. So let's call all 6 ladies on the stage now to make the things little hot. Let's have everybody on stage now. All the ladies, all the girls.
कितने ग्लोबल आर्मी हुई पता नहीं
अरे सही गाना है हमारी कमी है भाई पगड़ा पानी की लकड़ियों के लिए ना कितनी ऑर्गेनाइज है देखो गर्ल्स हम भी साथ once more
Okay. So we have the same rules. So music is played, and then I call somebody's name, and that person walks from that end and comes on this end, and then I ask the question, and then that person goes back. Okay, let's welcome again Bharati on stage.
stop
Okay, Bharti, the question for you is romance at office place, romance at workplace. There is a surprise question for some of the people. Okay. So, romance at workplace. What advantages do you see it has?
I want the repeat of the question. I didn't hear the
Okay.
first one.
Romance at workplace. Okay. So you know somebody in the office having a romance, right? So do you see that there is an advantage of that? Do you see that there are only drawbacks of that? If at all there is an advantage, what do you think? Is there an advantage of that, or does it become a problem for people, or anything you can say?
Well, if you're talking about beginning of romance at work and culmination into marriage, I think it's wonderful. It's the best place, and I mean you miss out on the bad things like dowry and probably say about that. So I think it's good. That point.
Okay. Thanks a lot. But we have okay. So
Just like that,
if
just
you
like
woke
that.
up one day and found that you have become invisible. If you woke up one day and found that you have become invisible, what is the first thing that you would like to do?
Yeah. Okay. For the first thing I would do, I would add up 4 zeros to my bank balance. That's the first thing. Yeah. But then what I would do with that money is, yeah, first it should fulfill whatever all my needs would be. But for now, I would think I want to sort of make Bangalore a better place to live in. So I would invest on that. And I mean, I don't know if it's a thought which been on me, which been with me for some time now, that we should make this place good. So if there's something I could do about that, I would do that and make it to the standards of what we talk about the America and other developed countries.
Thanks a lot, Bharti. I think all of us share that opinion.
Make all of us invisible.
Let's welcome Gunjan now. Okay, Gunjan. Surprise. So there is one surprise question for you as well. Okay. When I saw Gunjan for the first time, I thought about Kangana Ranaut. Guys, do you agree with me? Does it look like?
Nainital connection.
I guess it's the same city, right? So the first question is, have you ever thought of modeling?
No,
Why not?
Why not? Yeah. Justify.
because I'm not not. No, I never thought about it. I mean, yeah, because I always wanted to be an engineer, so probably that idea never came into my mind.
Just to add on here, you have
Why
to
did
judge
they
based
say
on the
look like a
second
model?
question. The surprise question is just for fun.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
That was added by Amit, definitely.
Huh.
Thanks a lot. And the second question for you is, would you rather have money or love?
I would have love.
Why is that?
Right. Because I think that love will give me inspiration, and it will. I mean, I'll feel so good that I'll have the capacity to do anything. So money can be earned like anytime, right? But true love is more important in life, and it keeps you going. So I think love is more important.
Thanks a lot, Gunjan.
Anytime is not coming for me actually.
Okay, let's have the music once again. Let's have everyone sing now.
मॉडल को थोड़ा चेंज नहीं करेगा थोड़ा
Okay, relax. There is no surprise question for you. Okay, so the question for you is, one secret which you have not revealed to anyone.
Okay, so this is very tough because there's always someone whom you would want to share something. Not just, it would be my husband if I'm something hiding from my parents, or it would be my sister if I'm hiding something from Vish, or I don't want to reveal it to somebody else. Like, so there, and if I think about this, there are many secrets in my life. Yes, but there is always one shareholder of that. So there's no secret which I haven't told anybody. So, and if you include this trip, so we haven't told the truth about it to anybody, especially the sister, because she will feel bad about it because we did her the end moment and she had also made plans. So we turned around the situation. We put some, add some bahanas to it and made it. So that's the secret between both of us.
Partners in equal crime, huh?
In fact, we guys are also responsible for that. I mean, we kept personalizing this like anything every day. So that's what made him do that. Okay, guys. So the next person is Udaya. Okay, Udaya. Once again, no surprise questions for you.
Thank you.
The question for you is, what if someone proposes you when you are with your family at Forum Mall?
You didn't tell me who is that family. Either my parents or it is after some 10 years, my husband and my kid. So I would ask my husband and kid.
No, okay, let me ask the question once again. I can definitely clarify the question.
Parents.
So you are with your parents at Forum Mall.
And one inclusion that you like that person also.
You also like that person. And that guy is the most handsome guy. I mean, in Motorola or?
You never know.
You never know. Okay.
You never know, maybe.
Okay, who is your favorite star by the way?
Favorite star.
Favorite film actor?
Surya.
Okay, so the question goes back to you. What if someone proposes you when you are with your parents at the Forum Mall?
So if that is the case, and if I like that person, yeah, I'll be happy to receive that, and I can ask my parents directly.
Thanks a lot, Vidya, for your honesty. Okay, so
Rashmi.
Rashmi next. The question for you is, if you were a guy, which girl in the room you would date?
Okay, so
Why you guys are
Sanjay, I
worrying
think.
each other?
What guys want? Girls, more girls, more girls. So given a chance, I would like to try out on all the girls here. But still, if you would really ask me one girl, then I would say it's Anamika. Because bold and beautiful. I think if I go with her on dates, so I can assume that after some number of dates, I won't listen the usual girl's answer. I'm still confused. I need more time. And not to mention your experience matters. I can always run with her and make one more Satya. So that's what. So that's an icing on the cake. So definitely I would like to go on with Anuya. I think Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, Rashmi. And just to add one thing, if somebody asked me this question, I would go by your opinion. I'm just kidding.
Rashmi rocks.
Thank you.
And last but not the least, Vidya.
You made it.
उसके लिए सबके लिए रूल बनाई थी वहाँ से वॉक करके रास्ता भी निकलने जाते
I definitely have an additional question for you. I was just wondering what's the name of this dress?
थोड़ा नजदीक जाओ यार
I guess I heard my wife telling sometime that the name definitely has noodle something. Okay.
This is chow mein. With soya sauce.
No, this is spring roll strap.
No, this is Malaysian noodles, which is
Okay.
thick.
Okay. So I would ask you a question. Only if you would say very loudly, "I love you, Shahid Kapoor." Go ahead.
I love you, Shahid!
Which Shahid, Afridi or Kapoor?
this time let it come from your heart
It has to.
It's from my heart.
It has to come from the heart. It has to be loud enough so that the sound waves actually reach Mumbai.
When we meet them
One second.
I hope they don't beat us up later.
No, it's not yet 10. You can
No, we can hear this still in the rooms.
It's okay.
Hey, somebody will come running thinking that Shahid Kapoor is here.
So I love you, Shahid Kapoor!
I guess that was acceptable, right?
Yes.
Was it acceptable?
For now it is.
Okay. So the question for you is: have you ever stolen anything from a store or from someone?
I have one. And it was posed on the situation because the situation was that we were three friends, we had gone out for shopping and then we had to go for a movie after that. And the shopping took so much time that I went with two guys and both of them were shopping for long. Then we went to a place because we hadn't had breakfast and lunch. The movie was at 3 o'clock and we reached the lunch store at 2:45 and asked him to get a noodles and a fried rice. And then we were not able to complete and he got it late, so we thought we'll get it parcel. Then we asked him for a spoon and fork, he was not ready to give. So we didn't have another option that we had to eat in the theatre, so we had to take a fork and a spoon from his shop and run away.
Very nice.
And we had to actually actually hide it and take it into the multiplex and eat it without anybody noticing it. So that was twice.
So I'm sure you must be carrying a lot of spoons and forks in your purse.
And only one thing, and then I kept it safely for memory.
Thanks a lot, Vidya.
इसलिए ऑफिस में वो स्पून का रोज गायब
कम होता रहता है वो लिखने का।
आगे से विद्या के क्यूब में जाया करेंगे।
We have a mixed round. Okay, so the guy comes on the stage. He picks one of the chits which has been prepared, and that chit has the name of a girl. Both of them, they come there on the stage and then walk the ramp and then go back.
Okay, this is the
Okay.
last round.
So
Who is the
Rashmi is
first
going to
one?
coordinate that, and she's going to call the name of the guy, and that guy will come forward. You have the chits with you, right?
Thanks, Samay. Okay, so I'll call first Wish. One second. Wish, please come on the stage. Where are the chips? Yeah, I have that. 6, 2. And the same girl's name will not be put back. Yes, Wish. Pick up first. I have the first choice this time, not like the breakfast that you have. for
Secondary,
class.
primary.
Good.
तू थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच में रोक दिया कर ना। अरे यार क्या रोक
Some ball, some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to all girls. Fight to them, party not to share. Yeah, baby girl, all my girls, all my girls.
अरे टाइम नहीं है भाई प्लीज।
बंद कर दे, बंद कर दे।
हाँ ठीक है, ऐसे बात करते वक्त लेना।
From the start, oh Lord, gotta the right tactics fit turn you on, and you're like, I need a papa, you can be the man. Complex pose, I'm getting that you just open, you know we're such to get me impressed out. I live in this out, I'm in this out, I got the
चंदन आप आगे से लोग आगे से पीछे से नहीं। चलो चलो बाय 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 बाय। अरे किसका फोटो लेना भैया? I don't think Sanjay would regret that. सन्नी बाजी चलो बाजी वाला क्या उठा लो
क्या
हाँ यार और
Guys, please welcome on the Bhavesh Player, Sanjay and Bhavati as cross flowers. Round of applause for them. Clap, clap, clap.
फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर है क्या पर?
I want to see you. Be seated.
What?
Okay, so surprisingly, well, we have a good result this time. So,
Goes to Bharti.
congratulations.
I guess the expression was only for girls, right?
So we want to hear something from you. How are you feeling now? That was really good. Okay, so finally we have the overall. Okay, the personality of the day. I can call it as a personality.
For me
it's a very, very surprising, as Amit told, because I didn't expect it so. But thanks. I liked it and I enjoyed it. Thank you.
Congratulations.
किसी के ऊपर ही बैठ रहा।
अरे यार मतलब यार बहुत बुरा मूड दिख रहा होगा अभी तो। भाई बस बस अरे बस भैया बस चला ले एक बार विश 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 चैंपियन हो गए सर नहीं ज्यादा
एक बार आ जाओ, एक बार ज्यादा नहीं।
अबे तू मूड होके बैठा हुआ है यार
वो किसने धोया यहाँ पे?
तुम बोल रहे हो इस साइड से?
ना विशाल तुम बताओ कल आवाज अच्छी नहीं एक्सेस गा सकता हूँ ना मैं
नहीं मैं वही बता रही हूँ। एक सेकंड मैं बता रही हूँ मैड इवेंट पे नहीं मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला। एक साइड माइक लेगा ना संजय इज गोना सिंग अ सॉन्ग, इस साइड माइक लेगा, इस साइड माइक उठा के गा।
So I'm ready.